friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching a one-star property. In this property, one type of room is available on Aurora.com. You can book online and enjoy. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to Aurora.com. Check-in time in this property is 2 p.m. Check-out time of this property is 12 p.m. If you have visited this property, you can send your experiences via comments. If you get more details about this property, please check link in the description box. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video.